Polynomials. In this module, you will learn about the remainder theorem and the factor theorem in polynomials. First, let us state the remainder theorem. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let a be any real number. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remaining is p of a. Consider an example. Find the remainder where p of x equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. By the remainder theorem, the remainder when p of x is divided by x minus 1 is equal to p of 1. Now, p of 1 is obtained by putting 1 in place of x in the polynomial p of x, which is equal to 1 to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1, which comes out to be equal to 1. Consider another example to find the remainder when p of y equal to 4 into y cube minus 3 into y square plus 2y minus 4 is divided by y plus 2. Thus, by remainder theorem, the remainder when p of y is divided by y plus 2 is equal to p of minus 2, which is further equal to 4 into cube of minus 2 minus 3 into square of minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. On solving this, we get p of minus 2 is equal to minus 52. Next, we'll discuss the factor theorem. If p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a equal to 0 and p of a equals to 0 if x minus a is a factor of p of x. Let us discuss some examples on factor theorem. Is x minus 3 a factor of p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12? From factor theorem we have that if x minus 3 is a factor of p of x, then p of 3 should be equal to 0. Let us find p of 3, which is equal to cube of 3 minus 3 into square of 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 12, which will be equal to 0. Hence, x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. Next, let us check if x plus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Now we'll find p of minus 3, which is equal to cube of minus 3 into square of minus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 12, which will be equal to minus 78, which is not equal to 0. Hence, by factor theorem, x plus 3 is not a factor of p. Next, consider this example. Find the value of a if x minus a is a factor of p of x equal to x to the power of 5 minus a square into x cube plus 2x plus a plus 1. As x minus a is a factor of p of x, therefore, from factor theorem, p of a must be equal to 0. Now p of a is equal to a to the power 5 minus a square into a cube plus 2a plus 1, which is equal to 0. Thus, P of A is equal to 3A plus 1 equal to 0, which is equal to minus 1 upon 3. In this module, you have learned the following. Remainder theorem. Let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let A be any real number. If P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus A, then the remainder is P of A. Factor theorem. If P of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and A is any real number, then x minus A is a factor of P of x. If P of A equal to 0 and P of A equals to 0, if x minus A is a factor of P of x.